Recording in progress.
No. Hello. Hello. Good
Hello,
evening.
teacher.
Good evening, Moon. It's nice to see you.
Teacher.
Hi. Nice to see you again. How are you today, Moon? How are you today? Are you happy today? Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? No. You can't hear me? Okay, let me
Mine
check.
is Moon.
Yes, Moon. Can you hear me, Moon?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, you
Yes.
can hear. Okay, so very good. So how are you today, Moon? Are you happy today? Are you sad today? How are
No.
you today?
She is
No,
she is
she
very
is.
happy.
Wow, you are
Very.
very happy today. Wow, that's very good to know. And are
Chị
you ready
đấy.
for?
Muốn nói tiếng Trung đi. Ni
Did you
hao
go
đi.
to
Ni
school
hao.
today? Nia, did you go to school today?
Oh, but I live in Vietnam. But I speak English plus Chinese.
Oh, oh wow, that's very good. You are
黄色、蓝色、七色、
what does
中
what does it
国、
mean? You are
蓝
multilingual.
色
Wow.
啊，
Are you half
菲律宾
Chinese or no?
菲律宾。
Philippines. Do you know any words in the Philippines?
Oh no, I don't know.
No,
Có
you
cái nào
don't
mà
know.
nổi không?
Okay,
Có
so
một cái mà
Moon.
Philippines. Philippines.
Philippines.
But
Yes.
my teacher in it said was Philippines, so she said of that. I know.
Oh,
Second one.
your teacher is also from Philippines?
Lisa. Yes, Lisa.
Oh, yes. Oh, wow,
Teacher.
that's good to
So
know.
how about your
Yes.
country?
What?
Lisa. How about your country? Changing to
How are your
hello
country?
to how about your country said? Bài học của em mà.
Oh, I'm also in the
Bài học của
Philippines.
em mà. No, what changing hello to Philippines?
What?
Changing hello of English to Philippines.
Oh, hello in Philippines is kamusta ka? So you can say
Ah,
that.
start.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, so Moon, are you ready for our lesson today? Moon, you're not ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Yes, okay. So for our lesson for today, we will talk about what are we talking about? We are talking about planes, animals.
Animals.
Okay, let's say planes.
Real fast.
Let's say it one more time. Let's say planes, 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 planes,
Yes.
animals. So
Red
very
animal.
good. Plains animal, so good job. So let's take a look at the picture. Do you know what animal is this? This animal with the long neck. What animal is this?
Is it
It's
it a
it,
lion? Lion.
is it a lion? Lion has a long neck now.
Yes.
It's a giraffe. Let's say giraffe.
Lion.
This is the lion.
Lion.
This is the lion. This one. Ching. Can you see the lion?
Lion. Yes.
Yes, this is the lion. And this is giraffe. Let's say
Giraffe.
gir giraffe. Very good. So this is a giraffe. So it has a long neck. Okay, so for this lesson, so we will talk about plains animals. So these are the animals that lives in the plain. Okay, so when we say plain, it is a big place, and it has few trees and mountains. Okay, so let's talk about these animals, and let's go to our video. So let's first watch a video here. Okay, let me just check.
Plains of animals. Once
Okay, can you see the video?
there was a jungle. In that jungle,
So
some
give me any
animals lived.
Can you see the
They
video?
used to eat dinner together.
teacher. Make it
Yes.
A monkey
Full?
the louder.
never get out.
She can.
Okay.
hear.
Why can't we go
Oh, she can't hear? Oh,
our house like people do in their animals? Plains of animals. Once there was a jungle. In that jungle, so many animals lived. They used to eat dinner together. A monkey thought, "We never get out of this jungle. Why can't we go out of our house like people do in their cars? We'll go to a city and see beautiful places there." He shared his thoughts with all the other animals. Everyone liked this thought. But the question was, how do we share this thought with the lion? Because he was the one who would have to give permission for them to go to the city. No one wanted to go and ask him. And then the monkey said, "Miss Fox is really cunning. You can go and ask him, Miss Fox." When he asked the fox, she said yes to the proposal. Next afternoon, she went to meet the lion. She saw that lion was sleeping peacefully. This made the fox comfortable. She thought of talking to the lion. And everyone knows that lions really like the news about leaving the jungle. The lion woke up, and the fox told everything about the idea. Lion liked the idea, and he gave permission to everyone. Everyone decided to meet the next day. Everyone was told to tell the lion what they would do while they were visiting the city. All the animals were supposed to bring their own lunchboxes. All of them were so eager to begin the journey. That morning, they got up very early. Miss Elephant wore her favorite black coat. The rabbit wore his white shirt. The deer got a nice golden bindi. They made a group of 3 animals and started their journey. The troop was led by Fox and Monkey. After a while, they reached the city. Oh no, something was wrong. When people saw them, all of them ran and hid in their houses. And they were peeping through their windows. All the fruit vendors left their belongings on the road and just ran away. Those fresh fruit.
okay. So let's stop the video there. So as you can see, so we have watched some of the animals that we can see in the plains. So now, teacher has a question for you, Moon. What animals did you see in the video? Did you see this animal? This one. Did you see this animal in the video? Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
Did you see the animal? Yes. What animal is this? This is an ele ele elephant. Okay, very good. Good job. And also, did you elephant, let's say, elephant. Okay. So how about the lion? Did you see the lion in the video? Did you see the lion? Did you see the lion? The lion? You don't see the lion? Okay, so in the
What?
video we also lion. In the video, so we also saw a lion. Okay, so now let's learn more about of these plains animals. So let's take a look at this picture. So we call this place plain or plains. Let's say plains. Pla, pa, pa, plain. Let's say I can hear you. Let's say plain. Plain, plain, plain. Plain, plain, plain. Plain, 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 plain. Okay, so this is a plane. Next. Okay, let's take a look at this. Moon. What animal is this? What animal? What animal is this? It's a giraffe. Very good. This is a giraffe. Good job. How about our next animal? Okay, this one first. Chin, let's go back. What animal is this? Do you know what animal is this? It starts with letter O.
Okay.
It's an ostrich. Okay, one more time. Let's see. Ostrich.
But the cat, yeah,
Os- ostrich. Okay, one more time. Let's say
Ostrich.
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 Os- yes, very good. One more time. Ostrich. Ostrich. Okay, so that is an ostrich. How about this animal? What animal is this? This one. Chinin, what animal is this? It's we call it as
It is
fox.
because
Fox. Yes, this one is a fox. How about this big animal? What animal is this big animal? It's very big. What animal is that? Elephant. Yes, very good. This is an elephant. How about, yes, very good. How about this one? What animal is this?
Yeah, alligator.
Yes, very good. It's an alligator. But this one is a crocodile. Crocodile. Let's say crocodile. Okay, perfect. Very good. How about this one? What animal? It's a lion. It's a lion. Do you know the movie Lion King? Do you know Lion King? No, you don't know Lion King? No.
But I know.
Oh, you know Lion King? So this is the animal that is on the Lion King. Next one. Wow, what animal is this? What animal? Do you know what animal is that? Is that a is that a is that a horse? Is,
Yes.
is that animal a horse? No, it's not a horse. We call it as zebra. Okay,
The
let's
rat.
it's a giraffe? No,
Grass.
no, it's not a giraffe, this one. It's a zebra. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Let's say
Giraffe.
zebra.
What?
Zebra. It's a zebra. So next, okay. So now let's learn more about of those animals. Our first animal here is, what animal is this? It's the fox.
Fox.
Very good. Again, Moon, what animal is this? It's the, what animal? F, 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 fox. Okay, so a fox is a small animal and it runs fast. It runs very fast. Okay, so this is the fox. So now, can you tell Teacher Moon what is the color of the fox? What color is the fox?
This
It's
is a black and white and mm, mm,
and bra 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 color
color. Mm,
brown. It's yes,
and
very good. So it's color black, white, and brown. So very good. Good job. How about this animal? It's a big, big animal.
brown.
What animal is
Brown.
this? It's the
This a
elephant.
fox.
One more time.
Elephant.
One more time. Let's say elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Hmm?
One more time. Let's say elephant. Elephant. Yes, elephant has a long nose, or we call it trunk. So this one, this body part of the elephant, so it is a trunk, a long trunk. So this is what the elephants use to drink water. So they use their long trunk to drink water. So elephant is the biggest animal in the plain or on the plains. Okay? So again, moon. Again, moon. What is the biggest animal on the plain? It is the, what do we call this animal, moon? It is the elephant.
Elephant is
The biggest or smallest animal? Biggest or smallest animal?
yes.
Biggest, very good. So elephant is the biggest animal
Yes.
in the plain. So very good. What is the color of the elephant? What color
a
is its color?
color.
Color gr
Color.
gray.
Green.
Yes, it's color gray. So the elephant is color gray. So very good. So next, let's move on to the next animal. What animal is this? It has a long neck. What animal? It's the
Giraffe.
giraffe. Okay, wow, very good. So this is the giraffe. So let's take a look at the giraffe. The giraffe has a long or very long neck. So it uses its neck to reach the tree leaves. Okay? So giraffe has a long neck because they use it to get some tree leaves. That is why, as you can see in the picture, so this giraffe is eating a tree leaves. Okay, so giraffe is the tallest animal on the plains. Okay, so it is the tallest animal. Now, teacher has a question, Moon. What is the tallest animal on the plain? It is
Is
the what animal is the tallest animal on the plains? It is the
the
giraffe. It is the giraffe. Very good. So the giraffe is the tallest because it also has a very, very long neck. Okay, next. What animal is this? What animal? It
It
is
says
the
lion.
lion. Very good. Very good. So this is a lion. So lion is known as the king of the plains because a lion it is strong and brave. It is very strong and brave.
No,
Lion.
teacher. But the elephant is big. It can stop 1 feet about 4 lion.
Yes. But the teeth of the lion is very sharp. It can it can eat a human. Okay, so this is the lion. Okay, now Moon, what is the color of the lion? What color is the lion? Lion is color. What color? Color. Bruh. What color? Oh no, what happened? Oh no, what
Oh,
happened?
the
Okay,
elephant is bigger and it stopped 1 feet on the lion. The lion can be die.
lion can die? No. Lion is stronger than the elephant.
No, the elephant one hit can kill the lion.
No. Lion is very strong. Stronger than the
But
elephant.
not then too. No, but how
El-
about dinosaurs?
oh,
It's about
dinosaurs.
4.5 billion years ago.
Yes, dinosaurs are already extinct.
Yes.
They are already dead. I think
Yes.
the only dinosaurs that are in the earth is like the what dinosaur is that? Rhinoceros, I think. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Okay, that is the only dinosaur. Okay, now Moon, what color is the lion? What color?
It's orange and white.
Orange and white? Very good. It's orange, or we can call it also as brown. Brown and white, or orange. Okay, very good. Next one. Okay, before we move on to the next animal, what animal is the king of the plains? What animal is the king? It is the what animal?
It is
The
the
L-
lion.
very good. It is the lion. Good job. So next, what animal is this? It's it's the what animal?
The rat.
It's the zebra. Let's say zebra.
The rat do not tell you zebra. Zebra is it's something something very ear and
Yes.
and the
Okay, zebra. Very good. This is a zebra.
But the zebra is
Zebra is? Okay, so for this one, the zebra. Zebra looks like a horse. But the difference with horse and zebra, so the zebra has black and white stripes. So usually horses, so they have brown, black color. Oh no. Moon, oh no.
what happened again?
What happened? I don't know. What happened?
Black, black
Zebra.
and white. What? I see zebra.
Very good. Zebra is white and black. Yes. Good job. So this is a zebra. So
Then
s-
doesn't
it doesn't.
uh uh uh
I think there
is
is a
the giraffe is tall.
yes, giraffe is tall. However, zebra is not tall. Okay, so they have the same face or they have a similar look, but zebra is not tall. It doesn't have a long neck. Giraffe has a long neck, but zebra it has a shorter neck. And what is the color of the zebra? What color is the zebra? It's black and the zebra is black and white. Okay, so zebra is color black and white.
They're black and white. But
Yes,
giraffe is tall.
giraffe is tall.
But zebra is short.
Yes, zebra is shorter than the
Very
giraffe.
short and very tall.
Yes, very good. Wow, good job, Moon. Okay, so next one. What animal is this? What animal?
Ostrich.
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 Okay, one more time. Let's say it slowly. Ostrich. Ostrich. One more time. Can you say ostrich? Ostrich, ostrich, ostrich. Ostrich, ostrich, ostrich.
So, oh.
Okay.
And
So
ostrich is a bird that cannot fly. Yeah, ostrich is the guy. Oh.
okay, very good. Wow. So ostrich is the biggest bird. So
Ostrich is a bird that cannot fly.
very good. It's a
Cannot
bird,
fly.
but it cannot fly. No, it cannot
Cannot
fly.
fly.
But it can run very fast. So an ostrich
But
they run very fast. Ching, ching, ching,
but
ching, ching. So an ostrich
but ostrich is the sky. Ah,
oh they
up.
ostrich cannot fly. They just can run. They run very
Oh,
fast. Yes.
oh.
Okay, so very good. Wow, good job. So this is an ostrich. What is the color of the ostrich? Its color? What color is the ostrich? Color, color brown, white, and what color? It's color brown, white, and pink. Okay, so that is an ostrich. Okay, next. What animal is this? It's a crocodile. Let's say crocodile. What animal? Crocodile. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is a crocodile. So crocodiles,
Nice.
they have sharp
Nice
teeth.
crocodile. Nice
Yes.
crocodile.
Yes.
Crocodile.
So crocodiles,
He's the animal.
they have
I'm
sharp
the
teeth.
Lion. Crocodile.
Okay, so for this
Lion,
one,
crocodile. Crocodile.
okay, so for
It's
this
the
one,
animal.
Moon,
It's
so
the
okay, so for this one, Moon, we will end our lesson here
Lion, crocodile.
because
Hello.
nine crocodile. Hello. Okay, listen, Moon. So we will end our lesson here because we do not have much time and teacher has another class. Okay? So we will continue this lesson next time. Okay, Moon? See you again soon, Moon Moon. Bye-bye. Okay,
See you again.
see you again.
See you
Study.
again.
Okay? Bye.
Bye.